Welcome to Mastering Ethical Hacking, In-Depth Techniques for Beginners. Join us as we venture into the vast cyber realm, unraveling the secrets of securing digital infrastructures. Whether you're aspiring to protect and serve in the digital age, or simply fascinated by the art of cyber defense, you're in the right place. The Ethical Hacker's Creed, a solemn promise to navigate the cyber seas with integrity. It's a pledge to protect privacy, a vow to cause no harm, and a commitment to maintain transparency. Ethical hackers respect the law, pursue continual learning, and promote security at every turn. This creed is the bedrock of trust in the digital age. Dive into the core of ethical hacking, where understanding the basics isn't just a step, it's a strategic advantage. Decode system vulnerabilities. Learn the language of security protocols, the encrypted commands that keep our information safe. As you embark on this journey, remember, every step to protect, detect, and respond is a move towards a safer cyber world. In the ethical hacker's arsenal, tools are the instruments of digital justice. Master each tool's use its unique language of code and command and become the craftsman of cybersecurity, building stronger defenses with every line of code you learn. Ethical hacking is all about playing by the rules. It's using your skills for good, making sure you have permission, and always staying on the right side of the law. Think of it like being a digital superhero who respects the boundaries. Hacker must have grip on the hacker's report, which outlines critical findings, categorizes risks, and suggests fixes. It begins with a clear summary, details the testing approach, and presents evidence for each vulnerability. Then, it assesses the risks and offers targeted recommendations, guiding a path to stronger security. In the fast-evolving world of cybersecurity, ethical hackers thrive on continuous learning. From mastering the latest technologies to understanding emerging threats, their growth is endless. Staying ahead means constant research, community collaboration, and ethical vigilance. The essence of ethical hacking lies in its name, ethics. It's about wielding power responsibly, safeguarding privacy, and enhancing security. Ethical hackers operate with permission, aim to protect, and always adhere to a code of conduct that respects the digital realm. Ethical hacking is a journey of integrity and impact. With every step, you safeguard the digital realm. Stay ethical, keep learning, and together, let's protect our cyber future.